Good morning, guys! Today is Tuesday, and dito ako sa setup ko, bagong setup ko. What do you guys think? It's way better. Lighting-wise, it's way better than the previous one kasi ito, yung lighting na pinili ko is parang cool white. The last time kasi it was warm white, so parang yellow yung dating niya. But, yeah, binago ko na siya, and I'm using two softbox right now, so those two right there. And yeah, kakatapos ko lang mag-film ng dalawang intro ng first impression reviews. So I reviewed the ColourPop liquid lipstick, and then I also reviewed the Sephora brow thickener. So this is what I have on my brows right now. Obviously, this is what I have on my lips right now. This is in the shade R&B, by the way. And yes, I did mention on my Q&A video that my lipstick will always be in the description box below. That's except for vlogs, because obviously I have 2 days sa vlog. So, minsan wala akong lipstick, minsan pa iba-iba yung lipstick ko. So, not on vlogs. I usually mention naman what's on my lips sa vlogs ko. So, okay lang. I'm gonna turn these off, and then I'm gonna continue. Oh, by the way, I have the Becca highlighter on my here cheeks. So yes, I just want to share that. Ito turn off ko na tong softbox lighting ko. I was actually watching maybe this time yung kay Gerald at saka kay RC. My goodness, si RC though, she's so pretty, you guys. As in, sobrang ganda ng babaeng yun, nakakaloka. Tapusin ko lang siya panoorin kasi pinanood ko siya kanina, and I was like, I need to take a shower para maka-review na ako and all. So yeah, by the way though, this lipstick is lit. Like, that looks really freaking pretty right there. Okay, Snapchat muna ako, char! Pansit for lunch! Ininit ko lang siya, yummers. And then I'm still watching Always Be My Maybe. I'm watching it sa pinoytopmovies.info. Right there. Hello, we're here at KMART. We will buy, ooh, the $1 hat, babe. It's still there. The $1. We will buy Play-Doh because I will have visitors tomorrow. I will have the kids tomorrow. Here, Play-Doh. There's a $1.50, babe. Clearance. This is for $1.50.
Yeah, that's not worth it.
Okay. For sure pink for Maddie. And then get blue for Hugo. Is there a blue?
No.
No? Is that all the Play-Doh they have? Dang. Play-Doh is expensive. I thought it's gonna be like 25 cents for a freaking Play-Doh. My lips look so CHAKA. And my eye as well, babe. Look at my eye. It's red like this right here.
Yeah, wow, yuck.
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 Wow.
What about that for $5?
I got the Play-Doh, the 24-pack one. This reminds me of my childhood. Tinky Winky, Dipsy, La La Po. He will talk as well. Lala!
Hooray! Again! Hooray!
Say your name! That's not your name.
Very happy. Oh.
Say your name.
Oh. Oh.
Your name is Dipsy. Whatever. Look at this. $1. $1. $1. $1. Mga LOL. It's good, but I don't really need it. We're at Kohl's. We got this for the kids. Let's go. Are we good?
We'll just keep them there for next time as well, babe.
Yeah, oh my gosh, my lips look so CHAKA, babe. My lips, and then my eye is red. My gosh, what's going on with my face?
Yeah, no, you look a bit CHAKA today.
Wow, did you guys hear that? He said I look CHAKA today. That's not nice. We're done. We ended up buying this, by the way, instead of that 24-pack one, because this one has the molds already. Yep, you saw that. Can you do a haul?
Yeah, well, this is a bit different than normal.
We got these! $1 each. It's a blueberry muffin. And then we got this as well. Ito yung sinabi sa akin ni Kath na sweet and sour sauce daw. for sweet and sour meatballs. So I'm gonna try and do that soon. And then we got the toothbrush. And then we got this. It's Milo for the kids tomorrow. Bay leaves for my adobo. I was gonna cook adobo today and I didn't really know na hindi ko binasa muna yung recipe and kailangan ko pala siyang i-marinate ng 1 hour to 3 hours, so wala na kaming time. So next time na lang ako mag-aadobo. Hindi pa kasi ako nakaluto ng adobo before, so it's going to be my first time and I want it to be perfect. This is the vinegar as well. That's for the adobo as well. I'm not sure if that's the right vinegar, but whatever. And then we also got this for the kids tomorrow. So just drinks. And then this one, last one, is taco seasoning for the taco dish that I'm gonna make. I don't know when yet, but we have that. And yeah, that's it. The Play-Doh, yes. I will cook bow tie Alfredo pasta. Same pasta that I made last time, yung from the Pioneer Woman. So I'm gonna make that, and yeah, gagawin ko lang siya kasi 6:30 na. It's done. Yummers, kain tayo. Hi guys! I just finished filming a video. I filmed a get ready with me video where I did this look right here, and then I also filmed a haul, yung mga na-receive ko from BB Bag and Mask Maven. So I have a lot of mask again, which I'm so happy about because you guys know I love using mask. Hindi ako nag-vlog kanina kasi nandito yung mga bata. Ayoko namang mag-vlog while nagbabantay ng mga bata, diba? Baka ano pang mangyari. Pero after nun, pumunta kami, nag-sushi kami. Yeah, yun lang. Oh, it's raining! Magpapalit ako ng top kasi sobrang lamig, and nung nagfi-film ako kanina sobrang nilalamig na ako and ayoko mag-stop mag-film, so parang yeah, pero ngayon magpapalit na ako ng mas thick kasi pupunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya today, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna take this makeup off or I'm gonna go there with this makeup. I'm not sure. We'll see. Parang first time ko kasi mag-eyeshadow. So, hindi talaga ako nag-eyeshadow. Alam niyo naman yan. Pero I wanted to use the eyeshadow palette na I got from Sephora. That's why I have it on. And then I also have on the Champagne Pop, yung Becca na highlighter. And then I'm not sure if you can see. Oh yeah, you can. The blush, the Sweethearts blush from Too Faced. It's raining, you guys. Hello! We're home na pala, kanina pa. Kailangan ko mag-edit ng video. Anong oras na hindi pa ako nakakapag-edit ng video para bukas? My goodness. I'm just transferring the files and then later on gagamitan ko yung lapi niya para mag-edit ako. Kasi I can't edit specific videos on my laptop kasi nga wala dito yung Sony Vegas nandun. Later. Hinihintay ko pa na ma-transfer yung files. Tinanggal ko pala yung makeup ko kanina before ako pumunta sa kanila kasi nakalimutan ko na may eyeshadow pala ako. Parang kumati yun dito. So, ginanon ko. Parang, CHAKA na. So, tinanggal ko siya before kami umalis. Parang tinanggal ko din ata yung face makeup. As you guys can see, yung blemishes ko, obvious na. So, tinanggal ko siya except for brows kasi alam nyo naman, hindi ko talaga bet yung sa Sephora. I mean, okay naman siya, pigmented, pero it's just not something that I'm used to. Para sa akin, mas okay pa rin yung powder at saka brush. Sobrang lamig today, as in sobra paglabas ko. Oh my gosh, sobrang lamig. Anyway, I need to close my vlog tonight. And wala akong masyadong vlog. This is gonna be really short. I don't have that much clips for my vlog.
It's alright.
It's alright. I got really busy today. After kong bantayan yung mga bata, lumabas kami, kumain kami. Tapos pagdating dito, naligo ako, nag-film ako ng 2 videos. And then pagkatapos noon, pumunta kami sa bahay ng mama niya. Tapos, an hour ago, dumating kami dito. And now, I need to edit the video. So, yun yung ganap. Oh, it's done! Thanks, babe. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna edit the video. Oh, by the way! Ube is dead. Ube is dead, you guys. I haven't told you yet. He died.
On the weekend, Sunday?
Yeah, 2 nights on the weekend, Sunday. When he was cleaning the tank, I actually vlogged it. He was cleaning. It was actually an accident. Poor Uge. So he was cleaning the tank. Thanks, babe. And then he was using the tube to clean the tank to remove the water. He got stuck. Yeah. I feel so bad that I'm laughing right now, but it was just so funny because he got stuck in the tube. He was looking for him. I was like, where is he? He's gone. And we were looking for him everywhere inside and he's gone. The tube stopped working, so he was like, oh, I can't use the tube anymore. So he used the like scooper just to scoop the water out. He didn't know yet that Ube got stuck in the tube. That's why it wasn't working. Scoop na siya ng tubig. Napansin niya na wala si Ube. And yun, na-stuck si Ube sa tube. Tapos ayun, namatay. Namatay si Ube. He was dying though. So yeah, he died. And we don't have any fish in our tank right now. So maybe we'll get a fish? Maybe? I'm not sure. No? Yeah, maybe not now. I don't know what we're going to do. But yeah, that happened. I forgot to tell you guys. It's been what, 3 days that we don't have him, and I forgot to tell you. Yeah, anyway, I will edit the video. I hope I will get this done tonight. I will do my best to get this done because it needs to be up tomorrow. So I will get it done. And yeah, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. It's gonna be exciting. Tomorrow we will go to the city, and then I will stay in the city while he works. And we will go watch football again. So it was football last Friday, and now tomorrow, Thursday, it's gonna be football again. So we will watch football, and then yeah, that's gonna be my life tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Good night, guys. Bye. Wanna say bye, babe? Bye. Babe, say bye.
Boy.
Boy.